Hey y'all, I've been trying to get all this just right for a month or so, I think. At least that's what it feels like. I've got a Tensa 4 hammock stand, which is awesome. And the people are awesome, by the way. Quick to answer your questions, even if they're stupid. This is an Amok Draumr 5.0 hammock. And it is also awesome. One problem I've had is I've got this really great 6.5 bar value insulated pad that is a perfect fit, but it bends too easy and my feet fold and that doesn't work. So just in case, while I was waiting for my Amok to come in, I ordered a really cheap Amazon mattress pad, and with the baffles running up and down like you're supposed to have. But it's got a pillow here, and it just can't get comfortable in it. It kind of sucks. So I've broken down and ordered the Amok mattress that's made for it, which I should have done in the first place, but you know, it's a big investment, and I wanted to be sure I liked it. So I also have, for my hammock camping needs, a Gold Armour tarp, a 12-foot giganto monster tarp. And my problem is we live up here in the mountains, and the wind comes down through there, or ocean winds come from there, and they get tunneled down through that valley there, or coming the other way. They could blow all four directions at once. And honestly, this is the first time in a month, I think, I've been able to actually set up the tarp without the wind trying to blow it away. And you see there's still a breeze. And come about sundown, the winds will pick back up and hit 30, 40 miles an hour. So I haven't even been able to sleep in it out here. But soon, I just know it. Anyway, it took me a lot of configuring and conflagrations, and at the moment, this is, Tensa also has these extensions that work very well, and it took me a while to figure out you can actually shorten these things and move them up higher. That made a huge difference. So I was trying to do the corners of the tarp, and you see, I just don't have much yard. I mean, yeah, it's beautiful, but there's just not a lot of flat space. So I finally figured out, if I tie off the next one or two things over, and I did the middle one there to help pull it off of my foot on the hammock. So here's the actual center of the tarp, and it's in a slightly modified door mode, and I use just night eyes carabiners, whatever. Oh, there's a dog waiting for a ball. And use my walking stick to try to keep it off my head a little, and that's actually worked good. And another better night eyes carabiner here. And I'm trying to, my next thing is to figure out how to open the doors so I can swing them around here and maybe attach them up there or over here so I can get some breeze because I think it's hot. In fact, I've noticed just lounging around, the air mattress gets hot too. Maybe the Amok air mattress won't be as bad. But so far, like I said, after what seems like years of fiddling and fighting and scratching and licking and poking. Hey, what are you doing? I think I finally got a somewhat decent setup. It's awesome without the tarp. It's just the winds. The winds turn the hammock into a sail, and it tries to drag the whole stand. And the wind has actually knocked the whole thing over. What's that? So that's what I'm trying to get the tarp so the wind will not be as bad. So, and this setup actually, I think, might give me enough room to change clothes in a crowded campground, I think. And it just might work. And I may try a smaller tarp to see if that works. Anyway, thanks for watching, y'all. Have a great day and a great apocalypse. Bye!